Yo, what's up? You already know what it is. Let's get into this real quick. Go to your text tab, go to your preferred font. I already have it here. It's named example. I'm gonna place it into the track, extend it to the length of the video. I'm gonna go into settings, go to glow, intensity at 100, range at the lowest, and then go to shadow, opacity at 100, blurriness at 0, distance at about 8, and angle at 160-ish. It's up to you really, but that's what I like. Then I'm gonna bring out a green screen, just take it off of Google, extend it to the length of the video once again. And then after that, you can compound clip. You can either hit Alt-G or right click and then just do it like that, yeah. And then chroma key, make sure you select the white, nothing gray, nothing black, and intensity at 100. You can move around the compound clip so it looks better or brighter, especially in brighter parts of your video. And then finally go to effects and add a blur. This is once again preference, but I like to go around 10 to 15 blur. And then you're gonna export your video. Once you export, you can get rid of your compound clip and blur, and then add your newly exported video. If there's any volume, make sure to get rid of it, and then go to crop, and then make sure it's only the green screen and the words. Once you do that, chroma key again, select green, intensity at 100, and shadow at 1, and there you go. That's your watermark. You can see what it looks like for yourself. Let me know how this tutorial went. Thank you for watching. Suggestions down below, please, and 𝘾𝙖𝙥𝙍𝙎 out.